Taking a nice little nature walk with the kids. You know, all for the love. Makai, get down. Nature is a really important aspect of life. This air feels so good. So right now we at the Whippers Hill Park, which is really nice. Hey, what do you guys like about the park?
What I really like about the park is it got secret ways. I
Hmm.
thought you was Funland.
Well, you have to make this is fun land.
It is. This is Tarland, that's what it is. Let's Just say, homie, I'm about to fall out.
Are you having fun, Messiah?
Why are you breathing so hard? You want to running? I don't know what to do.
It's a dog park over there. Life is grand. Thank you, Lord.